Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy DKG72 and I'm here with the Tuesday art tip of the day. This is actually more, well, it is an art tip, but it's kind of a visual trick that I like to use sometimes when I'm working on comics. Let me talk to you what it is. It's basically using the bottom line of your panel as the floor. What do I mean by that? Well, you know how you draw a panel, right? Comic book panel. Well, that bottom line of the panel becomes your floor. So all the feet of all the characters, no matter where they are in perspective, touches that bottom line. What this does is help create a nice plane for you to utilize, and it just kind of helps you switch it up a little bit from some of the usual things that you may be doing. I first saw this being used by John Byrne. He used it a lot of times for shots where characters were walking and talking, or sometimes when they were just standing around and talking. It really kind of helped break up the pace a little bit. Once again, when you're drawing and you draw your panel and you have like a talking head scene or something like that, and you really want to just kind of add a little bit of a visual flair to it, use the bottom line of the panel as your floor. Make sure all the feet are touching it, and if you even want to put things in perspective, make sure your vanishing point is the bottom line of your panel, and all lines lead to it. Now check it out guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give that a big thumbs up. Of course, go ahead and like and share that all over the internet. If you guys want to get in touch with me, you always can get in touch with me on Instagram and Twitter at DKG72. I also have a Facebook fan page and a TikTok page, David Gordon 72. And if you really like this channel and you really want to support, you can always head over to Patreon and hit up DKG72 Makes Comics. I would love that support. Alright guys, so until the next Tuesday art tip of the day, it's your boy DKG72, and I will holler at you later. Peace.